Hey babes, grab your iced coffee, get comfy, and let's have a little FaceTime moment because we need to talk about something the internet low-key swept under the rug. So there's this thing called Streamer University, right? It's like the hidden school where creators are quietly learning how to build digital empires. And the gag is, it's been right in front of us this whole time, but nobody noticed. Girl, this one's gonna have you looking at the influencer world so differently. Okay, let's rewind real quick, back to the blogger days. Remember when lifestyle bloggers were just posting flat lays, iced coffees, and what's in my bag videos? We thought it was just cute vibes, but behind the scenes, they were securing bags through affiliate links, sponsorships, brand deals, and digital products. They weren't just influencers, they were mini CEOs building entire brands from their bedrooms. And the internet gave them the blueprint without even realizing it. They learned how to monetize attention, and that's where Streamer University picked up the playbook. So now, fast forward. Out of nowhere, this thing pops up, Streamer University. At first, everyone thought it was a joke or some influencer event. But then creators like Kai Cenat started pulling back the curtain saying, nah, we're teaching people how to really make money off streaming, brand strategy, audience retention, all of it. Girl, imagine a university where instead of business textbooks, your homework is building a brand deal deck and learning how to monetize your live chat. Like, what? And the wild part is, it's not even just for gamers. It's for beauty creators, lifestyle, vloggers, storytellers, nail techs, people like us. Because what they're really teaching isn't just how to stream. It's how to build your own digital empire from scratch. Here's the part they don't talk about, bestie. Streamer University and the whole creator economy movement literally gave away the blueprint to generational wealth online, and 90% of people missed it. It's not about being the prettiest, the funniest, or even the most viral. It's about learning how to turn your influence into income. The secret formula? Branding, consistency, and monetization, in that order. You build your audience, then build your trust, and then you build your bag. While everyone else was busy trying to go viral, these creators were quietly studying, learning algorithms, audience psychology, brand funnels. They're using SEO like it's a love language. They're making money in their sleep from content they made weeks ago. Girl, the creator economy is the new Wall Street and nobody's talking about it. And here's where it gets even deeper. Bloggers, the OGs of digital entrepreneurship, accidentally created the foundation for Streamer University. They taught us that personality plus strategy max profit. Their affiliate links became what we now call monetized content. Their newsletters became our Discord servers. And those little blog ads? Baby, that turned into sponsorship deals worth 6 figures. Everything they built laid the groundwork for streamers, podcasters, and digital creators to eat today. Now let's spill a little tea about what's actually being taught in these creator bootcamps. It's not just streaming. They're teaching emotional branding, how to make your followers feel something so they keep coming back. They're teaching digital storytelling, how to blend entertainment with education so your content doesn't just go viral, it converts. And they're teaching automation, how to make money while you're asleep. Imagine posting your press-on nail tutorial, linking your beauty shop, and waking up to orders because your content worked overnight. That's the new definition of financial freedom. And here's what's crazy, girl. While people think influencers are just showing off, a lot of them are investing. Real estate, e-commerce, beauty brands, even tech startups. They're becoming silent millionaires because they learn to use their platform as leverage. That's what Streamer University is really about, teaching you how to turn visibility into value. You might start with one stream, one blog, or one press-on nail video, but that could turn into your own brand, your own products, your own legacy. We're entering an era where women, especially creative women, are no longer waiting for permission to win. Bloggers opened the door, streamers kicked it down, and now we're walking through it with confidence, coffee in hand, and our own Shopify stores. Streamer University might be the blueprint, but the future? The future is feminine. It's creators like us realizing our creativity is currency. Every post, every story, every nail set, every beauty haul, it's all part of your digital portfolio. That's what's really making girls rich in 2025. But let's be real, babe. None of this happens without discipline. You can learn every strategy in the world, but if you're not showing up for yourself, it won't stick. Consistency is what separates the dreamers from the doers. You don't need to post perfect, you just need to post something. Every video, every blog, every nail design, it's a brick in your empire. Even when you're tired, even when the numbers are slow, that's where discipline builds diamonds. Stay locked in, because that's how you outlast the algorithm. And honestly, taking the independent route is the smartest thing you can do right now. Being independent means you control your time, your money, and your message. No brand or platform owns your voice. When you own your audience and your content, you own your peace. That's why creators who stay independent end up wealthier long term, because they didn't trade freedom for fast fame. Build slow, build smart, and build something that's truly yours. That's the real glow up. So babe, the next time you're scrolling, just remember, the internet is the new classroom, and the creators paying attention are the ones graduating with freedom. Don't sleep on the knowledge that's out here for free. Learn it, remix it, and build your own version of wealth. And speaking of building your bag, check out my beauty business linked below. I've got the cutest press-ons and glosses to match your soft life CEO energy. Because when you look good, you attract good energy, good clients, and good money. Period. We're stepping into a new era of creators who look like us, talk like us, and get the bag like us. Stay disciplined, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Love you, bestie, and I'll see you in the next one.